Hi everyone. In today's session, we will see how to enable disable test case in Selenium Webdriver 3. Okay. So first of all, understand what is the need of enabling or disabling a test case. Sometimes, let's suppose some functionality is deprecated in your project, or you want to disable that test case, or maybe you are not requiring any test case at the moment. Okay. Maybe some functionality is not working, some functionality is not supported. In that case, Selenium provide you one functionality in which you can disable the test case. It will not be executed. Okay. How to enable or disable a test case in Selenium? Let's see that. Okay. Let's launch Eclipse, and I'm already having Selenium WebDriver implemented. If you don't know how to implement Selenium WebDriver project and how to get test cases, please visit my previous videos. Okay. This is one automate stack overflow.java class that we created in earlier sessions, and in this class I am having two test cases. This is the first test case and this is the second test case. So let me tell you what are these test cases. In this file, in the first test case I am launching Chrome browser. Okay, let me uncomment these lines. So in the first scenario, we are launching Chrome browser and opening website stackoverflow.com and clicking on login button, and we will close the browser. Okay. And in the second scenario, we are launching Firefox browser and opening github.com and closing the browser. Okay. So these are two independent scenarios, but let's run these scenarios first. So let me right click on that and click on run as, click on test and test. Now it will execute these two test cases. Have a look at launching Chrome browser first and open Stack Overflow and close the browser. Now it will run the second test case, opening Firefox browser and open github.com and close the browser. And see the results here is showing total test run 2, count is 2, and pass count is 2, failure count is 0. Okay. So if we run this file, it's executing both the test cases in this file. Now let's suppose in some case, or you can say in any scenario, we just don't want to run any of these scenarios. Okay. Let me take Chrome browser, and I don't want to execute this scenario in my Selenium WebDriver. Okay. So how can we achieve that? So you have to write here. I will focus here. In front of test annotation, you have to write like this. Put parentheses and write enabled is equal to false. Okay. Once you put this value here, Selenium WebDriver will not execute a scenario here. Okay. This is the feature of testng, not Selenium. Okay. This is the feature of testng, not Selenium. So if you put this attribute in front of test annotation and you run this file, it will not execute this scenario. Okay. It will only execute this launch Firefox browser scenario. Okay. Let me show you. Let me run this file again and click on run as, click on testng. So have a look. Now it will launch only Firefox browser. It will not launch Chrome. So it's launching to Firefox browser here. Have a look. It's saying total test on 1 and pass count is 1, fail count is 0, skip count is 0. Okay. So it's not running two test cases. If you remember in the last when we execute this file without mentioning this enable is false, it executed two test cases. Right now it's running only one scenario. Okay. So it's ignoring the test case which is marked as enabled is false. Okay. So if you want to disable a test case in Selenium, you can with the testng you can use this attribute. you can just type enabled is equal to false in front of test notation. Okay,